Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning. You know what that means.
Crafty Kids!
Today, this one's going to be so much fun, you guys. Today, we are making an ugly Christmas sweater so you can wear it during the holidays.
Yay!
And just look your fabulous best. And you know how usually we have a list of all the items you're going to need to do this? Well, this time, what you're going to need is some sort of sweater or sweatshirt. Doesn't even have to be green or red or anything like that. In fact, sweatshirt might actually be a little easier because this is a family project, by the way.
Yes.
We're going to be using hot glue. That means it's hot.
Yes.
So
very hot. We have to be
make
very
sure you have
careful.
somebody a little older with you to help you with the hot glueness.
Good.
So you can use a sweatshirt or a sweater. I think a sweatshirt would be a little better because it's not as loose as a sweater, so the glue is going to hold better because we're going to be hot gluing this stuff on.
Totally.
One thing that you want to do is get a piece of paper or newsprint or something, cardboard, and put it inside here. So the glue doesn't soak all the way through.
Good
and
idea.
it glues the sweatshirt together.
Yes.
So I want to do that.
Okay.
But that's really the only thing you need is a sweatshirt and a piece of paper, and then anything amazing that you want to glue on it. And they have given me so much stuff to play with. So I played with this a little bit before we started recording, just to get an idea. You know, I would lay things out first to see how you want to do it before you start gluing.
Totally.
Or, you know, if you're a little agent of chaos, just start gluing. That's fun too. That's usually what I do. But I'm recording this, so I had to be good.
Yes.
So what I figured I was going to do, so I'm going to flip this for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be doing all this upside down. Even more chaos. This is going to be great.
It's going to be wonderful.
Okay, so I'm sure you've all seen these in the stores. Just a nice big bow for your door or package or whatever. This is going to be the top of my sweatshirt. Right there.
Nice.
I'm going to lay it there.
And just so everyone knows too, a lot of these supplies came from the dollar store.
Yeah, this does not have to be expensive.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
And like I've got some pom-poms here that I asked Mr. Ross for, and he just said, "Here, have a handful." So I've got some pom-poms. I've got some pipe cleaners. I've got some felt, random ribbons. I've got a whole box of stuff.
Doohickeys.
And okay, guys, we know who this is. I've got some googly eyes.
You're so
plans.
Sharon. Yes.
And we've got all kinds of. Oh, what is this in here? What is this? Oh, this is glued on.
No.
I know what this is. Hold on, guys. This is.
Oh, you have your hat on still.
We gotta do this right.
Yes.
I remember
Absolutely.
There we go. Am I festive enough?
Perfect. So
All
festive.
right.
So
All right.
festive.
So I'm thinking I'm gonna start here. And then I really like this. I mean, it already has the ornaments on it.
Yes.
I'm just gonna try laying this out, kinda in sort of a tree shape.
Oh.
I'm thinking I'm gonna do something like that. Just lay it
Yeah.
out. So I think that's about right. I'm gonna just cut this off.
Ta-da.
There we go. Now you don't have to use everything you pull out. This is just to get ideas.
Right.
So we're gonna lay that. I'm thinking don't put this too high because you have to wear it.
Be a nice little bow tie.
Yeah, we'll bow tie. There we go. Thinking something like that. We'll do that, right? Right. So I'm gonna take our hot glue gun.
Yes.
Remember, hot. This is really hot.
Yes. Everyone be very careful.
Yes. And another thing, mom and dad, or the adult in the situation, you're not going to be able to wash this when you're done.
Yes.
Hot glue really doesn't go through the wash very well.
Nope.
Unless it's on your jeans, in which it never ever comes off.
Right.
But we're just going to put a bunch. We're going to put a bunch on here. This is a one-time, have some fun sweatshirt.
It's perfect.
There we go. Now there are ways, if you want to, that you could sew this stuff on if you want to make it permanent.
Yeah.
But we're just having a little fun today, so we're not going to be quite that specific.
Yeah.
So we're going to glue that on there. Glue strings. There we go. All right, it's a good start.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. It's not sticking. Good.
Oh, it's so fun.
Now I'm going to start this kids, you get to lay the stuff out where you want it and then get somebody who can handle the hot glue to push it down, because this can hurt.
Yes, very hot.
I burned myself a number of times with hot glue.
And you can get hot glue guns at a craft store, at Walmart. You might even be able to get them at a grocery store.
Possibly, yeah.
Possibly in the craft section, school section.
See, I did a little boo-boo there. I accidentally got the glue on my ribbon.
Oh no!
You know what that means? That means the ribbon's on the bottom in that spot.
Yes.
That's all that means. There are no mistakes.
Or there's a pom-pom or an ornament that goes over it. Yes.
An ornament right on top of it. I got glue on everything. It's okay too. This is a messy project.
It
but it's a fun project.
but it's so fun.
I think, actually, I'm going to try doing this way instead.
Oh,
Instead
that
of putting
is a
it
good
on the
idea.
tinsel, I'm going to do this. We'll see if that works.
Yeah.
There we go. Lay that on there. All right. I'm getting less on my fingers. That's
Yes, that is a good sign.
there we go. All right. You can see what I'm doing, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Lots of glue. Okay.
This is so fun.
I think I cut a little too much. I think I'm actually going to trim this a little bit more. And we'll stop there. We don't want to go
Oh,
too low either.
it's true.
So we'll finish that. Just like blah 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 blah. Glue.
Glue.
Right. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it already. A little more. I missed the end. Big final blob.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I gotta make the sound effect. There we go. There. That is. We could stop there if we wanted to. That's
Oh,
not bad.
wow.
Look at that big sparkly Christmas tree.
Yes, sparkly.
But I had an idea.
Oh.
Guys. So, I think, like over here,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna make out of this felt. I'm gonna cut some circles.
What do you use white circles for?
Can you figure it out? What do you think, Mr. Ross?
Snowballs?
Could be.
Oh,
That's a good guess.
could
And you're
be
close,
snowballs.
actually. You're close, but not quite.
I wonder.
Making 3 of them. Is that a hint?
Oh.
Ah. Figure it out yet?
Wait, are they different sizes?
They're different sizes.
Oh, I feel like we're getting closer.
Pizzas?
They're not pizzas.
Mr. Ross.
I don't want a pizza.
That does sound good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking I'm gonna make a snowman.
A snowman.
I wanna make a snowman.
Perfect.
That's all I know of that song. Okay, make my head a little bit smaller.
Ah, yes.
Because I didn't measure these, I'm just doing it.
Yep. Love it. Chaos.
There we go.
Yay.
All right, so again, a little more glue. I'm gonna start at the bottom one. I'm just gonna glue him down. I can't wait to see what you guys make.
I know.
I'm really hoping that you post some pictures for us.
Oh, please
Because
do.
There's just so much. It's so open-ended. You can do anything.
So many fun things.
Okay. And now
Oh.
I'm gonna use the big ones.
Yeah.
And since they're kind of, the sticky is kind of worn off of these a little bit.
Ah.
And since we want to be able to wear this, right? I'm actually
Yes.
gonna put a little extra glue. I'm not just gonna rely on the sticky that comes on these.
That's a good idea.
Just a little dollop there.
Little dabble do.
There we go.
Perfect.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. So much. That's normal. If you haven't worked with hot glue before,
Yep.
it just makes little strings. The strings aren't hot, so they're not going to hurt you.
Yes.
But this part is very hot.
Yes.
So you have to keep
very,
your hands.
very
So like
careful.
right here, you got to be very careful.
Mm-hmm.
And there's my other eyeball.
Yay!
Yes.
Yay.
Googly eyes!
And I know what I'm going to use the little pom-poms for too. Whoop. All right.
They're running away from
They're
you.
running away from me. These are going to be a scarf.
Oh, fun!
So you just take your little pom-poms, or you can use ribbon.
Mm-hmm.
You can use more felt.
Oh.
That actually kind of looks like his nose there, doesn't it?
It does.
You could make a little reindeer.
Oh, you
and
could
use
make a
the
reindeer.
red pom-pom for the nose.
Yes.
You could make a little Rudolph. You could do that. So much. You could take a bunch of pom-poms or some cotton balls and make a Santa. I can make a Santa face.
That would be really fun.
Yep. You could cut squares of felt and put them under the tree, make them like presents.
Presents, yes. Those are great ideas.
So much stuff
Mm-hmm.
we can do. And again, I'm gonna remind you, probably don't want to wash this
Nope.
because then you're gonna get little pom-poms
Mm-hmm.
all in your washer. And
Ooh.
mom and dad may not be too happy about that,
Right.
but that's okay. That's okay.
Absolutely.
There we go. There we go. Oh, I didn't make a nose for him, but that's okay.
Oh.
You make a nose, put it on your snowman.
Absolutely. Yes.
And okay, I'm getting a little short on time. I'm doing so much, but there's one other thing I want to show you that you can do.
Yeah. Oh,
Right?
pipe cleaners. Yes.
Pipe cleaners, almost as much as the good guys. Because you can do
Mm-hmm.
so much with them. I'm gonna take. I got a red and a white one.
Oh, I know where this is going.
Do you know what I'm gonna do?
I'm
Mr.
so
Ross, you know what I'm gonna do?
excited.
I'm not sure.
We're gonna twist them together.
Uh-huh.
You might have to actually like twist them together.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Oh.
And what does it make?
What's it make, guys?
Oh, I love it.
Yum.
Mm-hmm.
Make a candy cane.
A candy cane. Very
Candy
cool.
cane. Let's see. I think we'll put the candy cane right here.
Yeah,
And
I
I'm
love
gonna
that.
Put it on top of this a little bit so this doesn't flop around.
Oh, good idea.
So all I'm doing is just twisting it. Just twisting it. Anybody can do
Yeah.
this. And if you like the peppermint candy canes,
Mm-hmm.
do it green and white.
Oh, yeah.
Mhm. Don't they even make bubblegum flavored ones?
They do. They have all sorts. They have fruity ones.
You could do any colors.
Oh, yeah.
Any colors. I'm kind of a traditionalist on my candy. I
Mm-hmm.
did red and white.
I like it.
So just and then
Ta-da!
what? Look at that.
It's a candy cane. It's so
Candy cane.
perfect.
And we're just gonna. So I'm gonna put a little dot of glue here to
Mm-hmm.
hold down my ribbon. Right?
Yes.
And then where do you think? Maybe just right there.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Because you want it too close to here because you don't want
Right.
a cane in your armpit either.
Right,
You
right,
have to
right.
Remember, you have to wear this.
Yes.
So I'm just gluing it all down.
Yeah.
One edge of it. Whoa. And sometimes you blob. That's okay.
That's fine too.
We are not perfect,
Nope.
and that's okay. Because you know what? We're having fun.
We are having so
We're
much
having
fun.
So much fun.
I love this project.
Art is not perfect. Art is fun.
Yes,
Crafts are
absolutely.
fun. Ah! Guys! Oh, the strings. Okay. All right. I think I'm done. I mean, I
Yeah?
could keep going. I could put so much on this. I
Oh.
like where I am right now.
I
so
like
I'm gonna
it.
stop. And let's see.
Okay.
All the glue should have dried. I think we're gonna be okay.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, I
there's my
love
sweatshirt.
it.
Woo.
Sharon, it looks so good.
Oh, I'm really happy with this one.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to see my husband wear it.
Exactly. How fun.
Yes. So like I said, please, please, when you make these, show us what you've made.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Send them over to us.
Please do. And everybody have happy, happy holidays.
Mm-hmm.
You have so much fun with everything you do. All right, and this is not the end of our holiday crafting. Next time, next week, we're going to be making popsicle stick Christmas tree ornaments.
Oh,
I know,
how
right?
fun.
We actually put our tree up just this past weekend, and when I was pulling out all the ornaments, I discovered so many that I had made when I was about y'all's age.
Oh, that's
And I
wonderful.
still have them.
Yes.
So you're going to make popsicle stick Christmas tree ornaments that you can have for ages and ages and put on your tree when you're ancient like I am.
Oh, I love it.
So what you're going to need are some popsicle sticks, some glue, pom-poms.
Oh,
pom-poms,
yes.
construction paper, and scissors. And that's all you need.
Wonderful.
All right?
Thank you so much.
Stay tuned next week, and I want to see those ornaments too. All right? So thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you next time.
Wait, that is an amazing sweatshirt, I gotta say.
Thank you. Thank you. I like your
Well,
stuff
I mean,
too.
you know, the glue didn't quite stay on right. I didn't glue most of it either, but
You look lovely.
thank you. I appreciate it.
We are ready for the holidays, aren't we?
Woo!
Woo!
If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe on YouTube.
And like and share on Facebook.
Help us share our crafts with as many kids as we can.
Thanks,
everybody.
everybody.